The reason I stopped racing, I didn't really quit, but I had 2 girls in college. Had to make a living.
Gene quit racing in the 70s and he thought everybody had forgot about him. And now we're finding out that they remember him real well.
He called me about 2.5 years ago, I guess it was. And he wanted to come down here to meet me. And he had a video of me racing at Shuffletown drag strip at Charlotte, North Carolina. He said he had watched me race when he was 8 or 9 years old at Spartanburg.
You know, it's been sitting for 40 years, and it was a very popular car in its day, and it was popular. This is one of the racetracks it was popular at. So we decided this would be the best place to have its first public showing. But it's been a long, long process. A really, really lot of people from around the local Anderson area stepped in and helped Gene finish this project up, or it would have been another year getting finished.
He's been the best, getting all this restored, getting everybody involved. I mean, this is top-notch stuff. It really is.
When we found out Gene was being inducted into the East Coast Hall of Fame in October, we knew the car had to be finished, and there was no way I could do it by myself. And, well, I shouldn't say by myself, me and Gene could get it. There's no way me and Gene could get it done. So the Anderson people, the local people of Anderson, Gene's friends, family, old racing buddies, they pitched in, and the list goes on, and they helped us get this car done and make this show today. I was probably about 9 years old when I seen it race, and he was the master back then. And you know, when you're a kid, you know, if you're into ball games or whatever, you always pick the winning team to be your favorite. Well, that's why I picked Gene CROMER to be my favorite when I was a kid, because he always won. Every time Daddy would take me to the drag strip and watch Gene race, Gene always won the race. So guess who, when I'm playing with my little cars as a kid, I'm pretending to be Gene CROMER. Well, now I'm getting to be a part of that very car. I've done a lot in my racing career. I started in 1975, and I've won lots of races, championships, but this has been the most rewarding thing that I've ever done in my whole career. And for one thing about this, the next day a race is over. This will last forever. So yeah, there's nothing I've ever done that's meant more to me than this seeing this man happy.
Amazing, ain't it?
Gene CROMER built this engine himself, and I'm assuming it's the first engine he's built since 1995. Him and Melvin, I should say, Melvin was right there by his side as always. So he wouldn't let anybody help him. I offered my help on tuning the fuel injection, and he laughed at me. And so I think Gene CROMER probably knows more about tuning the motor than I'll ever know. But anyway, Melvin, how was it back in the day racing?
Fun. I enjoyed it.
Ruth, you got anything you want to add to this?
Get her to say something.
Does the car, are you proud of Gene for this happening?
Yes, I am.
Say it loud.
Yes, I am.
Well, we're proud of you for letting us do this. But anyway, anything else we need to say?
I just love the biscuits.
Make some motor noise.
That is sharp. Come on.
It's amazing. Amazing. Yeah.
Here we go. Everybody ready? Right here. We're going to do it like a parade. And when you get to the end, just come back down return road, and then you stop. We're going to pack you. Then you'll load the grass or whatever you want to do. Get them out.
Feels good.
And it's really neat to see the magic happening with what this car has done in the 60s, and now it's doing it again in the 2013.